So in this video, let us solve question number 20 of exercise 5.1 of the continuity chapter. So question is like this: is the function defined by f of x is equals to x square minus sin x plus 5 continuous at x is equals to pi? So we have to check the continuity of the function f of x is equals to x square minus sin x plus 5 at the point x is equals to pi. Solution. So we know that a function is continuous. Suppose consider the function f of x is continuous at the point c if left hand limit, we denote left hand limit by limit extends to c minus f of x is equals to right hand limit, that is limit extends to c plus f of x, that is equals to the value of the function at the point c. If these values are equal, that is left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, that is equals to the value of the function at the given point c. If these are equal, then we are going to say that the function is continuous at the point c. So let us check continuity of this function by using this one. So first consider the left hand limit. So left hand limit is equals to limit extends to pi minus. So here the point is pi f of x. So that is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of pi minus h. So both are same. That is equals to limit h tends to 0. So f of x is equals to x square minus sin x plus 5. So f of pi minus h, we have to replace x by pi minus h. So that is pi minus h whole square minus sin pi minus h plus 5. So that is equals to limit h tends to 0 pi minus h whole square. Let us expand this one by using a minus b whole square. So that is pi square plus h square minus 2 into pi into h minus. So it is of the form sin a minus b. We know that sin a minus b is equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So if you expand this one, we get sin pi into cos h minus cos pi into sin h plus 5. That is equals to, now replace h by 0. So we are substituting the limit. So what we are getting, pi square plus 0 square is 0 minus 2 into pi into 0 minus sin pi into cos 0 minus cos pi into sin 0 plus 5. But we know that sin pi value is 0. So this is 0. So 0 into cos 0 is 1. So 0 into 1 becomes 0. Similarly, sin 0 is 0. So 0 into cos pi is minus 1. So this value becomes 0. So that is equals to pi square plus 5. So the left hand limit we obtained pi square plus 5. So we got left hand limit pi square plus 5. Similarly, we compute the right hand limit. So right hand limit is equals to limit x tends to pi plus f of x. So that is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of pi plus h. So now replace x by pi plus h in the function f of x. That is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of pi plus h. We are getting pi plus h whole square minus sine pi plus h plus 5. So that is equals to limit h tends to 0 pi plus h whole square. So if you expand by using a plus b whole square, we get pi square plus h square plus 2 pi h minus sine pi plus h. So use sine a plus b, that is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So sine pi into cos h plus cos pi into sine h plus 5. Now substitute the limit. So if you replace h by 0, we get pi square plus 0 plus 2 pi into 0 minus sin pi into cos 0 plus cos pi into sin 0 plus 5. So that is equals to pi square. Here sin pi value is 0. So 0 into cos 0. This value becomes 0. Similarly, sin 0 is 0. So 0 into cos pi, again 0. So simplifying, we get pi square plus 5. So the value of right hand limit is pi square plus 5. Now let us find the value of f of x at the point pi. So f of pi is equals to, again, pi square minus sin pi plus 5. So that is equals to pi square, sin pi is 0 plus 5. That is equals to pi square plus 5. So clearly we got left hand limit, that is pi square plus 5 is equals to right hand limit, that is also pi square plus 5, that is equals to f of pi. So all the values are same. So what we can say? We can say that therefore f of x is continuous. The function f of x is continuous at x is equals to pi. So the function is continuous if the left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, that is equals to the value of the function at the given point. So thank you. Have a nice day.